This event is being watched live in all over the United States under FOSAC.tv. Dr. Biplab, where are you?
I'm here.
Okay. Dr. Biplab is the president of FOSAC.tv. It's being watched by 5 million viewers there. Just to let you know. I would like to make my speech very brief. 5 years ago, I was driving the freeway of Los Angeles and I seen a sign, China Expo, on top of the LA Convention Center. And that was the day of my life when I thought, if China Expo can be on top of the LA Convention Center, I want to see India Expo sign. It took me 5 years, ladies and gentlemen. I spoke to every consul general that was posted in San Francisco. I requested them, I told them, sir, this is a project that we need to undertake. And to be honest with all of you, I got no help from any one of them. Till we said, as private citizens, it is better we take on this responsibility towards the country of our birth. And that was the day US Asia Business Forum was born, sir. Please give this project a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. This is not a project about whether 40 people a year, or 400 people a year, or 400,000 people a year. China Expo sign was on the freeway on LA Convention Center for 5 days. In 2006, the inaugural event that we did at the LA Convention Center, in August 19 to the 22nd of 2006, under the chairmanship of Senator John Kerry, who was the presidential candidate of 2004, we had a 3-day conference, and we had, in partnership with the White House, with the US Department of Commerce, City of Los Angeles Mayor, name it, and we also had at the same time the whole signage in downtown Los Angeles, not one site, we had 100 sites. Every street pole of Los Angeles downtown had it for 6 months. Ladies and gentlemen, that is what a thing like this can start. And it is not about each one in this room can take up a project like this, because the scope is so wide, so large, it's larger than life. We are dealing with a country with 30% GDP of a nation. Defense budget of one nation is $600 billion, which is 50% of the world's defense budget of one nation. That is United States of America. China doesn't export up more than $200 billion with China, US and China. But they spent $200 million in the United States for marketing to get to $200 billion. That is the scope of this organization that we started very modestly 2 years ago. And today we do 1 year, we do the project in Los Angeles as a trade expo, and every year we will be doing this. So as the event progresses, there's going to be more talk about this thing. I might come back and talk more, expand it a little bit. But what I'm trying to bring across to each one of us in this room, it is not a project of Kevin Collins, it's not a project of US Asia. It's the fiduciary responsibility of each one of you sitting in this room to please move forward and take this platform to the next level, so that if China is doing $200 billion business with the United States, the largest 30% GDP of the world, let's at least reach $20 billion. That should be a target for this year. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.